Are you trying to find environmental jobs that make a difference for our planet? Are you looking to find climate change careers or jobs that help mitigate and solve the climate change crisis? If the answer is yes, then this video is for you. This is climatebase.org. Here you can make climate your career and discover jobs, people, and organizations working to solve the climate crisis. Climatebase is a partner of Project Drawdown, which many of you may know is the ranked 100 solutions to climate change and sequestering carbon dioxide. They include many things like abandoned farmland restoration, alternative cement, biogas for cooking, and so forth. And you can go visit drawdown.org for exploring each of these solutions in detail. Now, the founders of Climatebase thought and asked themselves, which companies are working on these solutions? And that's how the story of Climatebase began. Now, the great thing about Climatebase is that you don't have to be a scientist or even a climate scientist to work to solve the climate crisis. They offer jobs by role, so this includes software engineering, data science, operations, sales, and many more sectors. So you can use your background and your interests to help companies fill in their needs to work to solve the climate crisis that faces us. You can also find jobs by location, starting with many remote jobs, and there are locations in many cities across the world. So let's click on Explore here, and you can search for jobs by keywords or location, but more importantly, there are many filters such as sectors. You can select the sector you're most interested in within the climate realm. You can select the organization type. You can select organization size, as well as network, and finally Drawdown Solutions, which is this list of brilliant climate change solutions. So that's how you filter for jobs, and if you click on a job, let's click on co-founder/technical co-founder for Carbon 13. And you can see that they have a job description, they have the organization type, size, sectors, and the Drawdown Solutions. And again, you can apply through this website, or you can enter your email to create an alert for similar jobs. So let's go back to the jobs page and to the organizations. So similar to jobs, you can find organizations working to solve climate change here. You can filter by hiring or not, organization type, organization size, and again, the sectors. So you can find startups, organizations, nonprofits, businesses working to fight the climate crisis right here on Climatebase. Next, you can search for people. So these are people who are fellow job seekers. They may be interested in the same areas that you are, and of course, they're passionate about climate solutions. So you can become a member of the Climatebase community and find more folks and search them. But you can also see every individual profile in Climatebase. There is a section for events, so you can stay in the loop regarding upcoming events which Climatebase hosts. And lastly, if you click on fellowship, you'll find out about a fellowship that can accelerate your climate career. So the Climatebase Fellowship is a newly announced initiative that is a climate career accelerator for talented folks such as yourself. And this will give you access to a community of founders and team members of these companies that you see. They'll give you practical climate education, and you'll meet with this network of founders, researchers, investors, and gain a crash course understanding of what is the cutting edge technology being used for climate solutions. And you will also gain project-based experience by pitching and so forth. So check out the details on climatebase.org/fellowship. None of this is my work. This has been done by a fantastic team listed here on climatebase.org/about. So please check them out. And here are their advisors of the team. So Climatebase is a wonderful initiative. It is the single best initiative that I've seen connecting people to jobs that really matter in the field of climate change. If you are interested in environmental jobs that make a difference, in jobs focusing on climate solutions, then Climatebase is a platform for you. My only hope is that you get motivated and interested to switch your career for a crisis that faces our generation. So please visit climatebase.org. I really appreciate you watching this video, and share this with your friend or share this with someone who's looking for new jobs, because this, again, you don't have to be a climate scientist. This is meant for anyone. All you need is a passion for climate solutions. So apply here, find out new jobs and make a difference. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. If you like this video, please consider subscribing for more videos on environmental topics. Thank you so much for watching.